Semis may have cooled off lately, but the group is still up more than 40% this year. Chris, though, says there could be even more trouble brewing under the surface. You're going to go off the charts, Chris. What are you looking at?
Yeah, I think what's interesting, this has been a very vaunted group all year, but I think it's really underwhelming under the surface. We'll start with the biggest and most important name. NVIDIA, I think it's top for the year. There's a lot of resistance now in this 450 neighborhood, roughly where it broke down from a couple weeks ago. The 200-day moving average is still 100 points away at 340, and there's a massive gap on the chart. I think as we've seen time and time again this year, there are no sacred stocks in this business. The untouchables have all been touched. I don't think NVIDIA will be any different. And when you kind of go stock by stock in the group, what becomes clearer and clearer is how weak the semis are under the surface. TXN would be an example. It broke down this week, really making 52-week lows there. If you look at names like Infineon or ASML or Taiwan Semi, these are on the 52-week low list, not the 52-week high list. And it speaks to the broader point of the internal deterioration we've seen in semis. And I think one of the more powerful charts, if you look at the advanced decline line of the S&P Semi Index, so there's 50 stocks in this index, the advanced decline line's on the lows. So I recognize the index is still up 30 or 40% this year, but the fact that you have the AD line roughly making new lows here, I think speaks to just how weak this group is under the surface. They're short-term oversold. I can see them bouncing here in the near term. Fade those rallies. I think they've topped for the year.
Would you short NVIDIA again, Dan?
Yeah, maybe let's see if it gets a little bit of a bounce. I mean, listen, the story for the rest of the year is going to be the deceleration of that growth, right? And so if there's any hiccups in the adoption of some of these products or whatever, or anything geopolitical or whatever, I mean, it's great. It's been a fantastic story. I was very, very wrong. I was like a moth to flame on this sort of thing. But again, I think the story, I think it's about as good as it gets right here.
Well, the move that NVIDIA made on May 24th, 25th, whatever it was, and what it meant for the semiconductor, the stocks, whatever you're following, SMH, is the question, because we've been fighting. It hasn't gone past there. That was the relative high. In fact, it took out the high of Deck 21, and it's been making lower highs ever since. So I agree with the analysis, Chris. I agree that leadership was critical for the markets from that October, that CPI low of last year is really when all this started to move. It hasn't fallen apart as people. It would have been so easy to say, boy, that NVIDIA move was so overdone, and actually I think it's been somewhat resilient, but I'm not gonna fight that view. I agree. I think we've had trouble making relative highs, and therefore the Qs are having trouble making relative highs as well. And I think until they do, I think markets look toppy.
Well, I think the great paradox here is you talk about the 9% CPI print of last July. It was the 3% CPI print of this July where leadership really changed away from the Qs, away from discretionary, back to energy.
Markets not responding to
markets
CPI
love
like
paradox, and it's been Exhibit A.
Taiwan Semi's been rolling over now since June. AMD below 100 for the first time in a while. And that SMH chart, which we talked about at the top of the show, that is a massive double top without question. It seemingly will be intact for quite some time.
So this ties perfectly back to the top of the show.
We just put a bow on it.